Good afternoon, parents. In this video, I am going to share with you the Clever Portal Cloud from the student point of view. So I am logging in with Guadalupe, who is my son, and this is what he sees as a student. So you can see his apps right here in the Clever, and I also show you here on the top from any to view this page from any computer, from any internet browser. You can type clever.com/in/HESD/student/portal. You can go through there and you can log in with your student information. So once you are logged in, these are the apps that I want to show you will be active during the summer. So one of the questions is, which apps can my students use during the summer? So Footsteps to Brilliance is a favorite for the younger grades, so I recommend you use it for the summer as well. iStation is a favorite for some students, and it probably will be active until the end of June. Now, other apps that are in here that I want to show you in this video are the benchmark education. This is one app that is available to all students, and it has a lot of resources. So I'm going to focus this this video on the benchmark education app that is available on the Clever portal. So I'm going to open it, and this is the student view. So I'm going to open it to see what he can see and how to log in. So you saw I just click on the app and it opened automatically. Now, if he had any assignments from his teachers, they will show up in here. But since there's no assignments, all students can go to the library. So that's the fastest way. So you can see in the library in here, you can pick, the student can pick whether he wants to read in Spanish or in English. So I'm going to select, for the purpose of this video, English. And then in here, there's also a drop-down menu. If you want to drop from here, benchmark advanced, benchmark adelante, listos y adelante, ready to advance. So my son is in first grade, so I could click benchmark adelante is the Spanish component. Benchmark advance is the English component. So I'm going to click benchmark advance. And then from here, I'm going to pick the grade. You can see there's all the grades K through 6 that he has available. So he's in first grade. I don't expect him to be browsing through 6th grade, but what if he does? Let's check in here to see if the things are available. All the grades have 10 units. So maybe he didn't get to do unit 10, and he wants to see what's in unit 10. Let's see what is in unit 10 for him. Oh, look at that. So then I'm going to start over. Then he is assigned to first grade. And then I'm going to go to unit 10, which I'm pretty sure he didn't get to go. And these are all the resources that are available for him to look at or to play with. He can go to the ebook and listen to it. These are all ebooks for unit 10. So let's see, if I change my filters, now I want to take a look at benchmark adelante, same thing, grade first, he's in first grade. Unit 10, look at that. Most of the books are the same, but this time are in Spanish. When let's say I open one of these books, so I'm just gonna click on the book to open. Takes a little bit to open, and then it's asking me if I want to create a customization. I want to say no. I don't want another copy of the book. I just want to hear the book. So in order to hear the book, I'm going to bring this down a little bit. In order to hear the book, here on the corner, I could click on the corner to go to the next page, or if I can click autoplay, Then I can start playing and listening to it.
Benchmark Education Company se enorgullece en presentar lecturas decodificables. Sigue la lectura mientras leemos. Pasa la página cuando escuches este sonido. Grado 1. Lectura decodificable. Mozart, un genio famoso. Por Andrés P. Andreu. Ilustrado por Alfredo Telly. Diptongos. Ya, ye, yo, you.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it, but you can see especially for younger students, if you turn the auto button, it will keep going and reading the book, the entire book until it finishes. So for some parents that are looking to see what they can do over the summer, this is an excellent way to review English and Spanish. So Spanish is benchmark adelante and English is the benchmark advance. Okay. So let me see, I'm just curious to see if they can go to a different grade. I know he is in first grade. Does he has available the second grade textbooks? Let me see. It looks like he does have some textbooks for second grade. So you see, this is second grade. Let me see if he has text available for third grade. See, there's a lot of text available for third grade that he could read, provided that he is an amazing reader. Oh, look at that, fourth grade. I know this one, Power of Electricity and all the books. This is the student view, remember? Student view, he has access to all the books in other grades. Now let's check sixth grade. Oh, I know. HDLA doesn't have the purchase for sixth grade. That's why there's nothing available for sixth grade. But he has access for grades K through 5 for all the units. And on the left side is where you filter, the student filters his text. So if you want to do a new search, the easiest thing is to start over. So where do I find benchmark for my reading? Here on the Clever. So remember to go to Clever, you type from any browser, clever.com/in/HESD and log in with Google, student email, and student password. So this is all for this video. Benchmark Education Company for reading this summer, excellent resource. A new application that was added is Zern for Math, and to log in for Zern for Math, he loves it. I did a previous video for Zern for Math that covers a little bit more, but just really quick, the student clicks on it, and since he has logged in, it would probably take him right to the application where he is at. So I'm gonna show you where is the logout. I'm gonna sign out for him, and if it's the first time that the student is logging in, it will take right here instead of logging in. You log in, the student logs in with Clever, and that should take them to their page that they are in. Okay, so again, Clever favorite apps for my first grader are these three: Footsteps to Brilliance, iStation, and Zern. Now, I hope during the summer Benchmark Education gets to the top, that he marks it. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.